Try this simple trick to turn solid stone blocks into fully functional sinks. It's an old-school method that creates a unique, handcrafted look. Even better, these sinks are built to last for generations. Strong, timeless, and seriously cool. Perfect if you want something that truly stands out. This tool makes lighting bricks easy. It's a simple board, but it does exactly what it's meant to do. No complicated setup, just a smart solution that works. Often, the simplest tools are the most effective. Who needs expensive construction elevators when a little creativity does the trick? These workers set up a simple lift using a bike and some rope to move bricks upstairs. No bike? No problem. Use your own body. Jump and let gravity do the work. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. Sometimes the best solutions don't come from a store, but from thinking on your feet and using what you have. Ever heard the saying, "Work smarter, not harder"? These two bricklayers show exactly what that means. The way they move, fast and perfectly in sync, is impressive. It's the kind of thing that makes you stop and think, yeah, that's how it's done. Efficiency at its best. Hooking a vacuum to the bucket lets the operator dig and clean at the same time. It's efficient and leaves nothing behind. One machine handles both jobs. No mess, no extra steps. A simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Construction just got smarter. These drones are doing the heavy lifting, literally flying in supplies without cranes or extra labor. It's faster, safer, and already changing how job sites work. The future of material delivery isn't coming. It's here, and it's happening right above the site. Ever heard of someone turning a leaf blower into a grass seeder? It actually works, spreading seed evenly like a pro tool. With a simple tweak, everyday yard gear becomes a precision seeding machine. Pretty smart. Sometimes the best solutions are right in front of us. Got a grinder disc stuck and no removal key? No problem. This simple trick uses an electrical outlet fork to safely pop the disc off. It's quick, easy, and works every time. No special tools needed. Just grab a fork and get back to work. Watching them was oddly satisfying. Using nothing but a wooden board, the crew improvised a conveyor belt and unloaded the heavy blocks with ease. One worker slid each block along, while the other stacked them neatly at the end. Ever struggle with uneven edges or odd curves? Watch a pro share a simple trick for getting accurate measurements from any irregular surface. It saves time, cuts mistakes, and helps your projects look professionally done. If you spill screws, bolts, or other tiny parts on the floor, don't crawl around picking them up. Slip a sock over your vacuum nozzle and secure it with a rubber band. Turn it on and gently sweep the area. The suction lifts the hardware while the sock traps it so nothing gets lost. Quick, easy, and oddly satisfying. The wavy concrete mold forms decorative edging, holding wet cement in shape, creating a smooth, curved barrier once hardened.